guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a sinking funds update, and in this video we are swapping out bills, putting a placeholder if need be, and also we're gonna see how much change, how much progress we made in just 1 month. So if you guys want to see how much I spent or saved, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so before we get into it, I would like to say happy Mother's Day. I hope you guys had an amazing Mother's Day weekend. I did. I spent a lot of time with my kids and my fiance. Also, I did a lot of damage in the month of April, so I actually overspent, so I'm gonna have to pull out of my cash emergency fund envelope to fund back my buffer account. So yeah, you guys will see which envelopes I'll be pulling out of and how much I spent. So let's get right into it. So I spent a total of $1,633.36 out of my buffer account. I didn't list every single expense that I made. I just put the total that I have to fund back in my buffer account. So I'm gonna be pulling out a drip, family time, gifts, and cash emergency, because those are mainly the envelopes that I did spend out of, and my cash emergency is there just in case I overspend, which I did, and I'm gonna use that cash emergency fund because I won't ever dip into my savings. That's why I have my cash emergency fund there just in case of anything. So yeah, let's get into that. Alright, so we're gonna pull out all the money in drip. We went shopping, and I spent more than what is in my drip envelope because my kids needed clothes. So we're taking 50, 70, 90, 110, 20, 25. So 125 out of drip. Let me actually put this down here because I'm just gonna empty out all these envelopes. Next is family time, and is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50. So that's 150 that's coming out of family time. And we're gonna go on to our gifts. Alright, so we're gonna be pulling out all the money out of my gifts envelope as well. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 30. So I did put $200 towards the funeral, $100 for me and $100 from my fiance, and then we bought my grandma, my mom, my sister-in-law, and my mom-in-law Mother's Day gift. So that came out of my gifts envelope as well. And then last, we're gonna pull out of my cash emergency fund 100, 50, 70, 90, 210, 30, 50, 70, 90, 310, 30, 50, 70, 90, 410, 30, 50, 70, 80, 90, $505. So we have a total of $505. So 505. I'm just gonna do this real quick, guys. So we need $1,028 more. Alright, so let's go right into here. So my cash emergency fund, I have $2,000 in my cash emergency fund envelope. So we have $1,500 in the bank and $500 in cash. So I'm gonna take $1,000 from the bank, transfer it into my buffer account. So now we need $28 more. So subtract 1,000 is $28.36. So I'll just round that to $30. I'm gonna take that out of my car emergency fund. So 2030. Alright, so I completely funded my buffer account back. So it's back at its original amount of $2,000. Alright, so let me just put this together. So starting off, I'm gonna start off with my emergency fund binder, which is my brown binder, and let's see how much we have in our cash emergency fund envelope now. So we have 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's $1,000 that's in my cash emergency fund. So that is a negative $1,000 change. So I'm gonna put this $500 to the side, put this $500 in the bank, and grab a $1,000 placeholder. So now we have $1,000 in my cash emergency fund. I hope it's not confusing, guys. When I get this back up to $2,000, I'm gonna keep the original $1,500 in the bank and $500 in cash. But as of right now, I don't want to have that $500 in cash yet, so that's gonna go back into the bank. So I'm just gonna have this $1,000 placeholder just here for now. Okay, next is my home emergency fund, and let's see how much we have in our home emergency fund. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8,000, 500, 9,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, 50, $10,000, 50, 100, 50, 70, 80, 95, 200. So we have $10,200 in my home emergency fund. So I'm gonna actually take out all these placeholders, and it's gonna put a 10K slip. So I'm gonna put this all to the side. Alright, so here is the 10K slip. This is Mr. Obama on the 10K slip. So we have $10,200 in my home emergency fund. So that is a change of positive $750. You guys do correct me if my math is wrong, because I'm kind of doing this on the top of my head. I do have my phone right here, but I'll pull it out when I think I need it. So that's $750 change. Okay, next is my car emergency fund, and we start the month off at $1,740, and we have 1,500, 6, 720. So now we have $1,720, and that is negative 20. Alright, next is my health emergency fund. We start the month off at $840, and let's see how much we have in here. So 5, 10, 15, 20. $500, 6, 7, 800, 20, 40, 60. That is positive 20. Alright guys, on to my Clear Sparkles binder. Alright, so my daughter, we started the month off at $7,070. And let's see how much we ended the month off at. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So I'm gonna exchange this for $100 banknote. Okay, so Lanesia has 5,000, 6,000, 500, 7,000, 150, 70. So Lanesia has $7,170. So that is positive $100. Okay, next is Jaden, and Jaden, we started the month off at $6,875. $5, $10, $15, $20, $40, $60, $80, $100. So I'm gonna exchange this for a $100 bill. Okay, so Jaden has 5,000, 6,000, 500, 6, 7, 800, 900, 50, 75. So $6,975. So that is positive $100 change. You guys, my Lux wallet will get here this weekend, so I'm super excited, so be on the lookout for that. Next is family time, and we have $0 in my family time envelope, so that is $0 change. Next is drip, and drip we have $0 as well, and that is negative $65. All right, so on to my pink binder. Okay, so we started the month off at $245 for Christmas, and let's see how much we ended the month off at. One, 250, 70, 80. Is it 70, 85? So $285 in Christmas. So that is positive $40. Okay, next is back to school. We start the month off at 0. And let's see how much we have in there. 5, 10, 15, 20. So let's put a $20 banknote. Okay, so we have 20 in back to school, and that is positive $20 change. Okay, invest, we have $10, $20, and that $20 is going to the bank. And on to gifts. Gifts, we started the month off at $10. We ended it off at 0, so that is negative $10 change. Our 52-week challenge, I have not contributed any money towards it in the month of April, but I'm just gonna count just to make sure we have $1,540 in there. So I will continue this, but not right now, because my main focus, like I said numerous times, is my home emergency fund. So we are working with somebody right now, get the ball rolling to look into how much we can get approved for and stuff like that. So we have 1,500, 20, 40. So 1,540, and that is $0 change. All right, so and let me put this up and see how much we ended the month off at. All right, so we started the month off at $29,835, and we're gonna see how much we ended the month off at. Okay, so we ended the month off at $29,770, and that is a total change of negative $65. So that is not bad with all that spending that we did do in April. I think that's pretty, that's all right, you know. All right, so before I let you guys go, you guys already know I'll always count this money and see how much we are depositing into the bank. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is $1,000. 150, 250, 350, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 900. So we have 900 right here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100. So you guys, this is another $1,000. So we have $2,000. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay guys, so we are depositing $2,055 in the bank. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.